In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can fix your soundboard not appearing problem. So if you're trying to use Discord and the soundboard feature of Discord is not appearing for you, then I'll be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. Now this problem most people do not understand, but if you're in a Discord server and you're in a call of a Discord server which has more than 50 members, then soundboard is not going to work for you. Soundboard is only going to work for the Discord channel which has less than 50 members. So if you have more than 50 members, then you can't fix it. The only way to fix it is kick people out and have less than 50 members, and then you can use it. But if you already have less than 50 members and you're just not able to see the soundboard, then follow the step. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel one to step. Now most people don't know how to make soundboard appear. So let me first teach you. Go on a Discord server. So this is my Discord server, and go on a voice chat. So I'm gonna go on general, and inside general you can see this little option. This is soundboard. You want to click on soundboard and your soundboard will open, and you can click on whichever option you want and that sound will start to play. This is basically what soundboard is. Alright, now this is how you guys can use it. And in your case, even if you have less than 50 members and the soundboard is still not appearing for you, what you can do is just close Discord, and once you close Discord, you want to click on your Windows key and then press R. Once you do that, this thing will open up called run. Over here you want to write %appdata%. Make sure you write this %appdata%. Click on OK, and this thing will open up. From over here you want to search Discord. Once you see Discord, just delete Discord, and once Discord is deleted, you can close that setting and try to restart your PC and open Discord, and basically by doing that your problem should be fixed. Your soundboard should appear. So yeah, and if it still doesn't appear, what you can do is use Discord on browser. How you can do that is this. Go on your browser and go to discord.com. So you want to write discord.com. After you go to his official website, click on open Discord in your browser and log in into your account. Once you log in, just follow the step which I showed you in the beginning on how you guys can use soundboard, and you can use it. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit that subscribe to our channel one to step, and bye bye.